In this video, I'm going to show you how to mirror your phone screen to your laptop, especially if you're using Windows 11. So, if you want to display your phone screen on your laptop just like screen mirroring, make sure you watch until the end because the steps are simple and you can follow them right away. In this tutorial, I'm using a Windows 11 laptop. But if you're on Windows 10 or another version, the process is still pretty similar. The menu layout might just look slightly different. Alright, let's start. First, open Settings on your laptop. After that, go to System. Then scroll down and select Optional Features. Next, click View Features. Now in the search bar, type Wireless Display. If Wireless Display doesn't show up right away, you can also check under Installed Features and search for it there. Once you find Wireless Display, tick the box and click Add. Windows will automatically install the Wireless Display feature on your system. Now just wait for the installation to finish. When it's done, you can confirm it by searching again for Wireless Display in the features list. If it shows up, that means it's successfully installed. Next, to start mirroring your phone to the laptop, go back to System, then choose Projecting to this PC. Here, you can adjust the settings depending on what you want, just like I'm showing in the video. After that, click Launch Wireless Display. Now move to your phone. On your phone, open Screencast, Screen Mirroring, or Wireless Display. The name may be different depending on your phone model. Then you should see your laptop name appear. Tap your laptop name and your phone screen will instantly start showing on your laptop.